Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this quick and easy Dora look on Dress to Impress. No VIP needed for this one. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this hair and then I used this hair. Where is it? Toggled it to no bangs and did minor adjustments, position Y at 0.49 and scaled it to 0.60. Bangs, I just use this and this color. Okay, for the fit, let me see if I remember everything and remember every color that I used. For the shirt, I'm just going to use this in this color, EF83B0. For the pants, I use this one in this orange B56A15 in matte. For the shoes, I'm just going to use this in all white except for the socks. So enable the socks and we're going to color the socks yellow later. EEB33D. Then I'm just going to use this backpack and just color it with this purple that I have on in the, what's it called? Color palette? I don't know. That is it. Super simple, good for a TV show characters and whatnot, and very recognizable as Dora, obviously. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!